Ma'am, here's your amenities.
What's that?
No, which one is that? Which one do I get?
Here's your amenities.
Can I choose the color blue? Is that okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's your amenities.
Excuse me, sir.
This
What's
one.
inside?
Thank you so much.
Color, eye shade.
Can I borrow your ball pen? Why do you have a ball pen there?
Amenities, ma'am.
What's inside?
Eye shade.
You know you have lipstick in your teeth. Can I have it, please? Okay, thank you. First class, eh?